What's happening, good people? I'll go by the name Flamee. I'm back with another Amapiano tutorial. Yes, I said it. I'm back again. Anyway, today, the style that I'm gonna be covering is more of the soulful type. I would say MFRsoul type of jams slash Kabza the small slash mass music. Okay, let me stop with that. Let's just play the song. You leave the comments on the comment section below. All right. Okay, so let's start with the drums. The first thing that I did, I found this percussions from Kashmir Sounds of Kashmir Volume 2. So they sound like this. This is like some bongos, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, some pig sound. Then I added some shakers. They're from the same pack. Then on my first pattern, the kick, I always use a normal a fill 4 steps count. So this is how it sounds. Just do that. Then together with the packs, sounds like this. Then on the second pattern, I have this piano from sounds like this. Then a bass from Serum. All right. So that goes with this the traditional sound of piano. Yep, that is the traditional sound for Amapiano. So if you've been following Amapiano, 80% or 90% of the songs they have this sound. So yep, let's play the first part. All right. So for the second section, we added this log drum. So yeah, then there's another piano line. It's from Arcade. For this transition effect, I think I've covered how I make this effect. I covered it on my previous video. I think it's titled "How to Make Amapiano like Kabza the Small," like DJ Maporis and Kabza the Small. Basically, you use a gross beat, you use some reverb and some delay. So you just have to check out the previous video that I uploaded. Then you'll know how to make that transition effect. So then I layered my kick with the log drum. They're playing the same exact thing. So sounds like. Then last but not least is this. Some saxophones from Arcade. Trumpet and saxophone. Then there you have it. You have a song. So for those who are wondering, I know a lot of people when they come to YouTube, they always search for the same exact thing. If you want to make that crazy aggressive Vigro style roll, all you have to do is press Alt. If you're using Windows, press Alt A. Then let's not make it too aggressive. Then it sounds like this after adding that. So with what he does most of the time, he would make it more aggressive. He would go like Alt A, but it would go like, yeah, aggressive. Exactly. So I don't really like that, but I can do it. I like doing that with 808s, reverse 808s. There's a way you do it. I'll show you if you like trap. But yeah, that's the song, guys. That's the song. It's done. Let me just play it. Before I do that, please subscribe to my channel. Tell your family about me. Tell your friends about me. Tell everybody about me. Tell them to subscribe. And do yourself a favor. Please subscribe to my channel so that I can give you more content. I'm gonna start doing like some cookups where I start a beat from scratch. Then yeah, that's about it. If you wanna know like step by step, I'll show you how I do them like from A to Z. So let's play the song.